going to start by loading up the second Year 7 Spreadsheets revision. Once that loads up, you're going to have this yellow security warning at the top. We do need to enable the content, so always do that first. Enable the content. You may get a pop-up here. Just say yes and click OK. So make certain, put your name and class in the box there. And then we're going to go on to task 1. So for task 1, follows the same sort of format as the other exercises that you've done. The difference now is that you can now click on some of these others. So we're going to speed things up a little bit with these. So start off with this one. Press your equals, and now instead of typing in A11, just put your mouse in the middle and click it. So useful to have one hand on the number pad, because then we've got the add key, and click on the next one. You've got an enter there on the number pad. Press enter, and if it's correct, you'll get the correct. If it's not, go back and change it. Next one is going to be subtraction, so make sure you read this carefully. Take the small number away from the big number. So there's a small number, so it's going to be big number. Take away the small number. So we're on to this one. We're multiplying. It doesn't say which way around to do it, so if it doesn't say, always go from left to right, because that's the way that we read. So equals that one, click on it, multiplied by, click on this one, press enter. Okay, so the divide one, we're going to go equals big number divided by small number. So there's a big number divided by small number, press equals. Now when we're adding all these together, there is a series of numbers, so we're going to use the equals sum function. Open the bracket, highlight those, close the bracket. We need to find the average, so we're going to go equals AV, double click average, highlight those, close the bracket, press enter. At that point save, and then the questions start to repeat again so that you get to practice those basic formulas.